Most cars right now, especially yung mga, I don't wanna call it entry level, but this is may pagka-premium. Pero most cars right now, hindi na sila masyado naglalagay ng mga sound deadening materials. Maybe because sa ibang bansa maganda yung kalsada nila, like where this supposedly designed. Number one, it's expensive. Number two, mabigat siya. Yung bigat niya, instead na gamitin mo siya for comfort, gamitin mo na lang for additional cargo na pwede mo i-load sa car. And when you see wala siyang sound deadening, ito yung tunog niya. Tunog lata talaga. Ayan o. Sounds like a drum.
Hater ka lang, hater.
Hindi naman. Most of the cars yung mga pagbibili ka ng Honda, yun ang gagawin nila. Only katok, only katok. Yeah, I mean, alam mo kasi, pag walang sound deadening material, tunog lata siya, yung tunog na lata, tin can body. Yung wala siyang, like, wala siyang ni-repair doon, wala siyang bondo or something. But the thing is, pag ikaw na yung sumasakay sa kotse, and it sounds like a drum like this, umuugong siya when you're riding it, maririnig mo talaga siya. Eventually, yun makakatulig. But kung city driving ka lang, I don't think it would matter. It matters more when you're driving, highway driving. Doon mo talaga siya mapapansin. Additional, pag pinuksan mo yung door, sinara mo, medyo tunog honk. And sa rear. Sounds like a drum. Hindi naman siya ganun ka deal breaker. Kasi again, if you're driving it na city driving lang, na most of the time you're in traffic or that, you know, short distances lang, hindi ka naman nakataw ng sa highway, I don't think it would matter. Okay lang siya. It's not a deal breaker. It's good enough. Pero even at slow speeds, parang naririnig mo yung may ganun siya na sound. So I could just imagine paano siya pag highway driving na talaga na mabilis ka.